What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? I want to let you know that I have been challenged to show my beans. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's coming over me. Thank you, TW, for challenging me, and I want to represent the Four Hearts Ranch. I'm going to put their iCard right up here. I have been challenged to show my beans and how I make them. So Red's barbecue beans is pretty simple. I do use navy beans, and I am also going to be doing a video on how to use the pressure cooker in order to make those beans instead of soaking them overnight. I wanted to use them in the pressure cooker. So once I got that video up, I'm gonna upload it right up here. But until then, you're gonna have to trust me that everything turned out just fine. So Red's baked beans is something that I take a lot of pride in. I do utilize navy beans because I love the texture. I love how small they are. They're not overpowering beans. In addition to the beans themselves, I use a pound of beans, so 16 ounces. I also utilize molasses. I utilize a half a cup of brown sugar. And by the way, I will put all of the measurements down below in the show more description box. I utilize salt. I utilize pickled jalapenos, one small onion, white onion, one small red onion, 12 ounces of tomato paste, a little bit more salt, and when I do cook them, I put in some garlic in the pressure cooker, but I also add in a little bit more garlic. In addition to that, 12 ounces of my favorite beer. And because it's Halloween season, I'm utilizing pumpkin beer. This is pumpkin ale, right there. I believe the name is Shalafly, St. Louis Brewery. This is one of my favorite pumpkin beers. And last but not least, whole grain mustard. So with that said, folks, I've got the Weber kettle slow and sear already rocking and rolling. Let's put the ingredients in here together, mix them all up, smoke them for about 4 to 5 hours, and dig in. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I fail to mention that I'm also reheating some leftover pulled pork that I had vacuum sealed right here? I'm also gonna throw these into my beans because at Red's, we make sure that your belly goes home happy and full. So, without delay, allow us to, excuse me guys, I don't know what's coming over me. I apologize. It could be the beans, but today I've got a little extra flatulence. Bear with me. I'll try to get through this. Man, it's like a gas. Haha. All right, guys. Go Cowboys. Sunday fun day. Let's put it together. So now that we've got all the ingredients chopped up, relaxing, chillaxing together, hanging out on this Sunday fun day, let's get this slow and sear up to temperature so that we can get these beans on here and smoking for about 4 to 5 hours. Today, we are also going to be utilizing the Jack Daniel's whiskey barrel smoking chips. My buddy got me some of those as a gift, and I'm going to try them out today. I'm not sure how much to use because they are chips. They're very small and flaky, but hopefully the smoldering effect will kick in and they won't burn. So, but it's going to be a good test to see what it's like. Let's get at it, y'all. So we're up to 275 on this Weber slow and sear. Let's go ahead and put on the beans. I apologize, I didn't show you guys how I cut everything up. Everybody understands how to cut up onions and peppers and garlic into small little bits, and bits, and as in bits, I mean bits. Little subtitle action there. And put it in, Don't forget to add the apple cider vinegar. I forgot to say that, but in any case, all of the description of what I used will be down below and the show more, all for your taking. Enjoy, guys. Let's put on these beans and let them relax a little bit. Yeah. Come on. So it's been cooking for a couple of hours. I just added about 3 cups of pork. Let me see what it looks like. Vinegary. Great taste on the beans. Got that tomato paste flavor to it. Even with some more smoke, this thing is gonna be just amazing, guys. We're not even done yet. We got a little ways to go. I just want a little bit of pitmaster privilege. Right there, guys. There it is. Yep. Ooh, Red's barbecue. All right, guys. So the beans have been on for a little over 4.5, 5 hours. It's dark now. Let's take a look and see what they are looking like and if they're done. We're still sitting at about 220 on the Weber, but let's open it up and take a look. So thank you, TW, for challenging me to show you and everybody else out there how this guy with 2 thumbs makes his beans. I hope you guys have enjoyed this cook. This was really simple. 4.5, 5 hours to do on the smoke, plus a few minutes before that to cook everything else and chop it all up. Super simple to do, but yet absolutely hearty. These beans are gonna fill you up. Let's go ahead. Look how hot that is, huh? That's hot. Smoke is rolling, literally. Let's give this a go. Man. Hey, TW, if you were here, I'd smack you right in the mouth because that's so good. All right, guys, so now it's on me to challenge 4 other YouTubers to show me your beans. So, let me think here. The first person I want to challenge is Meathead. Meathead, you're challenged. Make your beans. Do what you got to do. Second person I want to challenge is Bottle Cap Barbecue. You're challenged. Another person I want to challenge is Pickles Barbecue. And the fourth person that I want to challenge is
Cooking with CJ.
show me your guys' bean dish. These are 4 people that I tend to never pick. I wanted to do something completely random because I also love watching their videos in addition to all of those other folks that I watch, like Cooking with CJ, AB, Kirby, Barbecue Pit Dog, everybody, man. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, life is about love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all. Be good. Have a good night. Go Cowboys!